What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to link your Printify account to your Amazon sellers account so that you can start listing your custom products on Amazon effortlessly. Once set up, Printify will handle the printing and shipping of your items like t-shirts on demand, so no need for wondering and worries about inventory. Now let's dive into the process. First, what you're going to do is you're going to head over to printify.com. And if you don't have an account yet, click on sign up and create one using your email or Google account. For those who already have an account, all you got to do is click on login and get inside of it. After signing up, Printify will ask you a few questions to understand your business better. Answer these questions to complete your profile setup. Once you're done, you will land on the Printify dashboard. So give me some time. Let me fill out these information so that I could get to the dashboard. Now, as you can see, I'm in the dashboard. So what we're going to do, we're going to want to create a sample product. Click on the catalog to browse through the products you can customize. So for this one, I'm going to choose the men clothing and I'm going to pick a basic white tee. So what you're going to do, you're going to select your preferred supplier, color, and size option. Click Start Designing to add your custom design. You can upload images, add text, even designs from Shutterstock. Adjust the designs as needed and save your product. With your product ready, it's time to connect your Printify to your Amazon sellers account. If you don't have an Amazon sellers account, go to sellers.amazon.com and sign up and follow the instructions to create your account, including verify your identity with necessary documentation. Once you have your Amazon sellers account set up and approved, go back to Printify dashboard, click on Manage Storage, and then add New Store. Choose Amazon from the list platform. Now what you're going to do is you're going to follow these prompts to authorize Printify to access your Amazon sellers account. This will link the two accounts, allowing you to list your Printify product on Amazon seamlessly. Now that your account has been linked, you're going to go back to your product on Printify and click Publish. Select your Amazon store and fill out the necessary detail like product title, description, pricings, shipping options. Printify will guide you through the process. It's pretty straightforward. Once published, your product will appear on Amazon, ready for customers to purchase. When an order is placed, Printify will print the item on demand and ship it directly to your customers. You can track the entire process through both Amazon and Printify account. Now listen, managing your business is easy using Printify and Amazon. Printify handles the printing and shipping, while you can focus on customer service and marketing and even expanding your product line. So basically all you got to do is keep an eye out for customer reviews and feedback to improve your offering continuously. And there you have it. Linking your Printify with Amazon is simple, but yet a very powerful way to start selling custom products without the headache of managing inventory. If you find this tutorial very helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to smash that subscriber button for more tips and tutorials. All useful links will be in the description, so feel free to head in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until we meet again.